Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OGI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, after another day, higher highs and higher lows, so some updates here need to be done. A little disappointing afternoon just because the price had actually started to break out, put in that new high right there, and then all of a sudden, just like that, right back down it went. Now, just because it went right back down, that doesn't mean the entire chart is destroyed. That doesn't even mean there's any sort of crash. It just means that it was looking like it was going to be a very impressive afternoon breakout, and then, the last basically hour and a half, all the price did was drop back downwards. So from that angle of things, yeah, it makes, today's, a little annoying afternoon. But think about that word, today, as in one day. When you take a step back and look at multiple days, everything is still perfectly fine. In fact, if anything, you could argue that the price behaved very impressively this morning as the price came down to that green line, which I talked about last week at $4.20, and found support right there, a couple more times right there. So overall, good to see that that level is continuing to hold strong, which does make the chart look very, very impressive. Now, even if the price were to drop below $4.20, even at that point, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed, because you do still have that overarching level there, that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which you would want to keep an eye on, and keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that line's going to move itself higher and higher, which is very helpful because as long as the price stays above that line, so in terms of gauging the health of the move, that right there being defined as the overall quote-unquote move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you best visualize that? That is what is being represented. Yeah, sure, staying above $4.20 would be fantastic, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. Then as far as levels of resistance are concerned, key level to watch is going to be right up there at $4.65. But overall, as long as the price keeps on building those higher bases, that is by far what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.